y'all, I'm Stephanie with WTI, and here with me is the HAIARA portable charger. It's MagSafe and it's so good for keeping your cell phone charged while you're on the move. Of course, we all ideally want to have our phones charged at all times. However, life happens, our charger doesn't plug in, or we're on the go all day and our battery's starting to die, and what do? So what I love about this is you charge this once and this little charger lasts for a really long time. It's been really dependable for me when I've been traveling, I've been stuck in airports, I don't have the right compatible plug, whatever the case may be. This has come through for me because it easily attaches with the MagSafe. It sticks very well to where I can move my phone. I've even dropped it in my purse and it's still stuck on there, no problem, which I think is a great feature. And also it's just the right size to where it's not too bulky, it's not too heavy, it's not gonna weigh down your bag to bring it with you. So sometimes even if I don't think I'll need it, I just have it with me in my purse at all times, just in case, so I always have that backup portable charger. So if you're looking for something that's effective, that works very well, then you may wanna look into this one because it's been great for me. But that's just my point of view.